Hello everyone. In this video, we will unbox and connect a VGUARD VGSD 50 Supreme voltage stabilizer for refrigerators up to 300 liters. My older VGUARD VG50 stabilizer got a weird vibrating noise with 3.5 years of usage. I felt it is time to give the stabilizer for service. But why did I buy this VGUARD stabilizer again? Not many choices at the time of buying, so I bought a slightly different but better stabilizer model from the same company. Inside the box, we have a warranty card and VGSD Supreme voltage stabilizer packed nicely. It carries a 5-year warranty. This VGSD 50 Supreme costs 1,749 rupees in Amazon. This model features fail-safe circuit, which is a specially designed circuit to cut off power to the connected unit in case of component failure. It has fine quality components tested under stringent quality control measures at every stage of manufacturing. It has automatic restart, the auto switch on-off on power supply, returning to safe voltage range, avoiding manual reset. It also has a high and low voltage cutoff, a unique cutoff system to prevent high and low voltage from reaching the equipment. It has an elegant appearance. Yes, it looks cute. And it has the ABS cabinet designed in a range of vibrant colors to suit the ambience of your room. But availability of colors has been a problem at this time. It comes with a warranty of 5 years as per record. Let's plug it in. Without load, it powers on the output immediately. Behind the stabilizer, we have a 5 amp 3-pin socket to connect the refrigerator. The current delivered is 2 amps. Let's connect it to a 300-liter refrigerator. After powering on, the red LED lights up, but the refrigerator is still powered off. Approximately after 20 seconds, the green LED lights up and starts powering the refrigerator. Good one. Thank you for watching. Please hit like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.